President Uhuru hamwe na Prime Minister wa Ethiopia Abiy Ahmed marekinyite mucii wa Khartoum bururi-ini wa Sudan ya muhuro igongona-ini ria uiguithanio gatagati ga President wa bururi ucio Salva Kiir na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Riek Machar. President Kenyatta ni aragathiririe ikinya riri akiuga ni rikurehe thayu na uthii wa nambere hamwe na ugitiri uria ukoretwo hagukite mucii-ini wa Khartoum na bururi-ini uyu kwa ihinda.
We stand with you because today history beckons you to seize the opportunity offered here in Khartoum to marshal your commitment and drive and claim the future of South Sudan as one people.
Thirikari ya Kenya ni iranire guthii na mbere kurutithania wira na thirikari no njeru rungu rwa uiguithanio ucio. Riu Salva Kiir nowe uguthii na mbere gukorwo president nake Machar akorwo ari vice president wa mbere.
It remains that no matter how much our region or the world invests in South Sudan, it is incumbent on the leaders and the people of South Sudan to find a lasting peace for South Sudan.
Ihinda-ini oru ni aratugiirie uhotani wa President mweru wa bururi wa Zimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa. President Kenyatta akiranira Kenya no iguthii na mbere kurutithania wira na Zimbabwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.